All right, in this video, we're going to go over a few of the other methods in the random class. This is the help page, the documentation page for random. And most of your usage will be next int with an argument. But you may have occasion to use next Boolean or next double. So I want to show those. So I have here a new program started. With all our basic stuff, you have to import the library to use scanners or random objects. You create a random object by naming the class and then providing a name that you make up. You can call it anything you want that makes sense to you. Then you set it equal to a new random utility object, which is what this right-hand side does. So if I need a double, let's say val1 equals my random generator next double, and system.out.println line val1 is val1. And we'll take a look at that. Random generation part 2. And there it is. And you get a lot of precision on that. But the numbers are only going to be from 0 to 1. So you're always going to get a number, 0 point something, generally. Okay, 0 0.9, 0 0.6, 0 0.4. Let's generate a few of them. So we'll generate 3 instead. And you see you always get numbers between 0 and 1. If you need a double that's between, say, 0 and 100, well, you can just multiply the result. So, for example, and let's so I can multiply this entire thing by the maximum, right? And now the values will be between 0 and the max. Right, so let's take a look at that. All right, so there you see 37 point something something, 27 point something, 88 point something. All right, so by itself, next double will always give you a number between 0 and 1. All right. But you can multiply that, right, by an upper limit if you have one, right, to get numbers and that are still from 0 but to whatever your maximum is. So that's a little close look at next double. You might use that to generate a percentage or odds of something happening, something of that nature. Next Boolean is like a coin flip. All right, so we'll do something like this. If my random generator next Boolean, right, and notice the parentheses after next Boolean are necessary. All right, this whole expression generates true or false at random. And we can say system.out.println heads, else tails. Tails. Let's get a flip a coin is heads. Flip a coin is tails. So it'll be random every time. Tails twice in a row. Now it's heads again. So that's one way to use next Boolean. That's some of the other methods in the random class.